Nakikita nyo naman na may clamor talaga na hopefully Yumi will become a legit P-pop group.
Hindi mo ba yung totoo? At this
Pero
point?
ano na ba yung plan at this point about that idea?
Well, sa ngayon po talagang fictional pa rin kami. But for us, honestly, it feels real. Especially na nagpe-perform na po kami sa mga mall shows and mga events. Kaya parang yung treatment namin sa Yumi bilang isang group, hindi lang namin siya nakikita na parang sa Born to Shine lang. Pero kami, we give our best. Yung efforts talaga namin and even the people behind it, parang pang totoong P-pop group. So, kung sakali man po na umabot sa point na yon, ano masasabi mo, Gea?
Ako, ang masasabi ko naman dyan, why not? Because at this point, galing po kami ng mall show from Pangasinan yesterday. And we felt so much love from yung mga U-mates. As in, kabisado po nila yung mga songs namin. They're singing, they're dancing along. So why not, guys? Totohanin na natin to. Is this not it?
Basta gusto nyo,
Diba? Basta gusto nyo. Yun kami. Hey!
So like, yung mga songs nyo talaga na ilalabas, parang as Yumi na talaga siya, hindi yung parang as Gea or as Emma.
I think yung mga songs po talaga made for Yumi characters, pero we can relate to personally. And mga original songs po talaga siya by GMA Playlist. Si Kuya Kenneth, siya yung gumagawa ng mga songs namin. So, sana more to come. And we're just very happy and grateful na nagugustuhan ng tao yung mga performances namin. Kasi para din sa inyo po yung lahat.
Yeah.
Thank you. And sorry, last na.
Hindi naman more on the technical side. So, nabanggit nga po ni Gea na discipline talaga is very important. But I think it's harder than what it looks like na parang we see them perform, but all the behind the scenes talaga, nandun yung challenges and yung struggles. Syempre, you're not just on like by yourself, but you have to be as one. And it's hard to do that. Sa kwento namin, marami kaming awayan na nagaganap inside na obviously hindi nakikita ng mga supporters, even sa story. But I guess yun yung challenge, really getting along with each other, even when performing on stage. But I think yung pinakamaganda doon is you get to perform with people na may parehong passion in their hearts and yung love for their craft talagang nandoon. So despite of the challenges and the struggles, at the end of the day, when you decide to perform with all your heart and really aim for that excellence, talagang they will see you as one and they will see the unity and the harmony. As Yumi. Ayun po, so ang saya lang na may kasama sa stage. Maangas to, nananapak ko sa Born to Shine. Pwede. Makmak versus Nancy. Ako naman po, I guess, honestly, pag yun yung tanong, nahihirapan ako sagutin kasi feeling ko I'm the type na I'm just open for anything na challenge talaga. But since yung Born to Shine yung mas nag-open sa akin, yung mas drama talaga, I think it's something that I want to explore more. Something na medyo parang redemption story. I think yung talagang, hindi ko alam paano i-put into words, but yung tipong life-changing na character, something like that, na drama. Or maybe a movie na musical pa din. Yun talaga yung dream ko. So, eto, isa na to sa dream ko, yung teleserye na musical, but maybe a movie someday. Personally, medyo hindi ko na-imagine. As much as I love performing with other people on stage, parang I think natakot ako, slight, kasi nga alam kong challenging siya. Pero now na I get to do it with with my friends, yun siguro, ang saya kasi nga, kaibigan ko rin sila, parang Wala. Something nga na wini-wish namin baka one day, if talagang mabigyan kami ng opportunity, we're very open na maging totoo siya. Pero I really love my solo career as a singer din talaga. So, kung pwede yung both, why not? Kakayanin.
Kung may chance, di ba?
Yes.
How about yung iba po?
Minsan sinasabi ko right after the scene or right after I read the script, parang buhay ko talaga. Yung pakiramdam ng lines ni Jenny, feeling ko, ang personal niya na minsan natatakot akong sabihin siya or i-act siya kasi feeling ko I'm being exposed sometimes. And not just me, maybe even the other characters. So kung ano man po yung napapanood nyo, I think Born to Shine is basically a window din sa kung ano yung nangyayari talaga sa likod ng mga napapanood nating performances or sa TV na ayun nga, yung totoo siya. And so, I think our goal is to, yung nabanggit ni Direk, is to really find the heart and show the heart behind every circumstance na nangyayari sa buhay ng mga artista, ng mga performers. Kaya, ayun lang po. I think it might be. Yeah. Actually, walang specific, pero pagdating sa mga scenes na galit, yung galit na frustrated and kung napanood niyo yung unang scenes, mostly nung mga start ng Born to Shine na nag-aaway kami ni Nanay Minchi, yung mga ganong scenes, alam niyo, direct na nag-struggle ako magalit or i-express yung ganong iyak na from anger. So, ngayon, I'm just grateful na unti-unti ko din siyang nalalearn. And I'm just so happy na sobrang grace and yung patience ng prod na when we need to internalize more or we need to talk to Direk na, Direk, tulungan mo kami. Kaya, as in, nag-grow din kaming lahat sa show na yun. Pero yun, kasi in real life, hindi ako ganun magalit. Tahimik lang talaga ako. Or hindi na lang, para wala nang masabi. So sa Born to Shine, doon ko na-express yung ganung emotion. And yeah, yun lang.
Alright! Thank you, Sir. Ayan. Sure. Palakpakan naman natin ang ating mga nagagaling ng mga artists na nasa harap natin. So,